There were some red, yellow, and blue toy cars in a box. 3/8 of the toy cars were red, and 26 were blue. The rest were yellow. If there were 12 fewer yellow toy cars than blue toy cars, how many red toy cars were there? We're trying to find out how many red toy cars there are. We can use Y to represent yellow toy cars, and we can use B to represent blue toy cars. And we're also finding out the red toy cars. And let's use A to represent the total amount of cars, to make it easier for us. The second sentence says that 3/8 of the toy cars were red. So that means that A divided by 8 multiplied by 3. This is equal to 3/8 because the total amount of cars divided by 8, so that's 1/8. Then you multiply that by 3/8. This is equal to the red toy cars. Now 26 were blue. 26 equals blue. And let's also write Y plus B plus red is equal to A to make things easier. And we can change this B to be 26 because we know that this is 26. The rest were yellow. If there were 12 fewer yellow toy cars than blue toy cars, how many red toy cars were there? Let's look at the first part of the sentence. If there were 12 fewer yellow toy cars than blue toy cars, this means that B minus 12 is equal to Y. And we know that B is equal to 26, and 26 minus 12 is equal to 14. So we know that Y is equal to 14 now. Now we can go a step further. Let's add Y plus B is equal to 40, because 14 plus 26, of course. There are 3 types of toy cars, yellow, blue, and red. 3/8 of the toy cars are red. The rest is yellow and blue. There are 40 toy cars, so let's write that here. A divided by 8, this is 1/8, times 5 is equal to Y plus B, or 40. Now that we know this, we can divide 40. Now we can divide Y plus B by 5. That's 40 divided by 5, which equals 8. So now we know that A divided by 8 is equal to 8. Now that we know this, we can figure out the rest, the other 3/8 of the toy cars. Up here we have A divided by 8 times 3 equals R. The red toy cars take up 3/8 of the entire toy cars. 3/8 of the toy cars are red. We have that right here. So that means that if we multiply A divided by 8, which is 1/8, if we multiply this by 3, that gets us 24, because 8 times 3 is 24. Thus, we have figured out that R equals 24. And now A, this is even simpler, because if we know that each 1/8 is 8, and there's 8 1/8, then 8 times 8 is 64.